Have you heard of line of fire? What comes to your mind when you hear the phrase line of fire? Is it standing between a wall and a scissor lift? Or is it being struck by a moving vehicle or a falling object from a higher level? So, what is line of fire? Well, a simple definition of line of fire is being in harm's way. Line of fire injuries occur when the path of the moving object or the release of hazardous substances intersect with the individual's body. There are many specific examples of hazard caused by line of fire, such as hand injuries. Do you know that hand injuries are the second leading type of injury in the workplace? There are over 1 million of workers being treated in the emergency room annually because of hand injuries. So it is very critical to keep your hands and fingers out of the line of fire to keep them from getting injured. So for further explanation, let's take a look at some of the examples from this video.
As mentioned before, line of fire, especially hand injury, could be so harmful. Here's some tips you could do to prevent hand injury. While using pipe wrench, don't forget to install pipe wrench hand guard. If you see any unsafe, you should perform stop work authority. The hand guard will help to mitigate hand and finger injuries while using a pipe wrench. While using screwdriver, make sure you use the proper PPE. The PPE required for screwdriver's work is hand gloves. If you see any unsafe, you should perform stop work authority. It may help to keep your colleagues safe. And also, don't put your hand too near to the screwdriver. It can cause you get impaled by the screwdriver. Don't forget to install finger saver while using hammer tools. If you see any unsafe, you should perform stop work authority. It may help to keep your colleagues safe. Installing finger saver will prevent hand and finger injury because the finger saver is designed to prevent finger injuries by keeping hands away from the impact position of the hammer on flogging spanners. Now you know how to prevent hand and fingers injury. Thank you for your attentions and keep safe.